How's it going, everyone? You're going to excuse my voice today. I'm a little sick, but I'm going to teach you how to check to see what programs you have running and what connections they've got, and you can determine with this whether or not you have a virus or something on your computer connecting to an outgoing server or maybe another person. First thing we need to do, we need to go down to our taskbar down here, right click. We need to go to Start Task Manager. Then we need to go to our Processes tab. You go to Options or View, Set Columns, and you're going to click right here, Process Identifier PID, and hit OK. Now, what that does is that gives us every process that we have. For instance, my battery management has its own product ID. The recording software I'm using has its own product ID. You can set it to do just about everything, and you can set it in numerical order to help you find it easy. Okay, we're going to leave this open, leave it sitting right here. Go down here to Start, and in my search bar in Windows Vista and Windows 7, you type in CMD to bring up your command prompt and hit Enter. If you're on Windows XP, you just go to Start, Run, then type in CMD, Charlie, Michael, Daniel, and that will bring up the command prompt. From here, just to show you what we're looking at, you're going to type in NETSTAT, which brings up your net stats. Shows you all of your incoming and outgoing connections going on right now. I'm going to hit Enter and close this one. I'm going to do it again. Open up CMD. Now I'm going to type netstats and the space hyphen AN0 or O, not 0, sorry. What that does is it gives you a full list of all the processes you have running, what port they're connecting to, and the PID that's using it. Local IP address is obviously you. Foreign IP is where it's going. The state is whether it's waiting on a connection or whether there's one established. Then over here you have your product identifier. What this does is allow you to go over here and check and see which one's which. So let's go down here and check. We've got 64, 4, 61, 215 on 1863, and that connection is established, so there's something going on. We need to look over here in our task manager for 2484. We go over here, that's my pigeon running, which is an IM client. So I can see that that's an OK process. We got 11924. Scroll down. That's my View It software, which is a software for YouTube views. And you can see that there's multiple ones using that, which is okay if you have such as a client open where you're connecting to more than one person at a time. I currently don't have anything running on my computer that I don't want to be, but if you had something, you could go through and check these one by one to make sure that, hey, this is, a program that I don't think should be here, which makes it very, very easy to see what and where it's going and what happens. Now, normally 80 is going to be used for Internet Explorer, things of that nature. When you start getting ones like this one here, which is 15968, let's see what that is. That's going to be Windows Live. That's a different port. 1863 is Pigeon. Like I said, I don't really have anything else open. Let's go down here and open something that uses the Internet. Let's use IRC. Continue. And we'll just connect to whatever. And we fix everything. And just hit connect. Now it's not want to cooperate. One.com. Okay, now it's going to connect. I'll have to go over here and hit the up arrow, and it will show me that again. Excuse me. Like I said, I'm a little sick today. So, just because I'm on IRC enough, I know that 6669, nearly 6666 through 7000 are all IRC ports. So that's 19328. You go over here, it's MIRC. So if you got any questions or you got any comments and need some help, just be sure to leave a post. And if you like what we're doing here, leave us some suggestions, and I will come back and try to help you out and make some more tutorials. Everybody have a good day.